Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can export your file in Adobe Premiere on YouTube and what are the best settings for YouTube, and it's so damn simple. So all you want to do is just grab your files, go to File, Export and Media, or you can just press Ctrl M and voila, you got it here. Choose format H.264, this means that it's going to be MP4 file. Now preset, match source, high bitrate. You can just press for YouTube and you will find the YouTube here. You can go for 1080 or 2000. I mainly go for 1080 and it's enough. So just click that. You can also change the output name. Boom. Change it to whatever you want. How to render file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Save. And then this is alright, this is alright. Audio, it's alright, the highest one. And just export. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and goodbye.